Hi, everyone, and welcome to my YouTube channel dedicated to online business. Today we'll be talking about how to create and manage a successful online store. Creating a successful online store can seem like a daunting task, but with the right strategy and tools, it's possible to achieve amazing results. Here are some steps to follow to create and manage a successful online store. Choose the right platform. Choosing the right platform is crucial to the success of your online store. Some of the most popular platforms are Shopify, WooCommerce, and Magento. Each of these platforms has its own advantages and disadvantages, so it's important to choose the one that best suits your needs. Create an eye-catching website. Your website is the face of your online store, so it must be eye-catching and easy to navigate. Make sure your website is intuitive for visitors and optimized for search engines. Choose the right products. Choosing the right products for your online store is essential for success. Try to offer unique and high-quality products that are in line with your customers' interests. Create high-quality content. Creating high-quality content such as photos, videos, and product descriptions is essential to increase sales in your online store. Make sure your content is well-written and well-photographed to attract your customers. Use the best marketing strategies. The right marketing strategies can help you reach a wider audience and increase sales in your online store. Some of the best marketing strategies include social media advertising, email marketing, and search engine optimization. Offer a great shopping experience. Offering a hassle-free shopping experience is crucial to the success of your online store. Make sure your website is easy to navigate and that the purchasing process is simple and intuitive. Monitor the performance of your online store. Monitoring the performance of your online store is essential to understanding what works and what doesn't. Use tools like Google Analytics to monitor your website traffic, conversions, and the performance of your content. By following these steps, you can create and manage a successful online store. Remember that success doesn't come overnight, but requires commitment, perseverance, and hard work. I hope this video has been helpful and provided you with some ideas on how to create and manage a successful online store. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like and subscribe to my channel to see more similar content in the future. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.